A prime number is a number that has only two factors, 1 and itself. No other numbers will equally divide into a prime number. For a refresher on factors, see our video linked above. Let's look at an example of a prime number. 17 is a prime number because we cannot multiply any other numbers together to make 17, except 1 times 17. Eight is not a prime number because we can multiply 1 by 8, and 2 by 4. Eight has 4 factors, so is therefore not a prime number. Numbers with more than 2 factors are called composite numbers.